Working with the shell is all about working with the command syntax. Throughout this course, we're going to use a lot of different commands. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a few simple commands and so that you'll understand how command works in shell environment. Let's start using ls command. As you already know that ls is used to list all the files in the current directory. So write ls and then press enter. Right now we don't have any files in this directory. By the way, we can also print our working directory using pwd command. So right now we are in the home directory, but we don't have any files in this directory. So that is why let's just list other directories, other files. So use ls, and under etc we have a lot of files. As you see that we have a lot of files in this directory, etc directory. ls itself just lists all the files. It doesn't display any other properties of the file. But we can also use some options with this ls command to display other properties of the files that displayed here. So let me just clear the screen, and we are going to use ls, and then we have to put some options. So in order to put options with command, you need to use dash sign, and after dash you have to write your option. Right now we are going to use L option. It is small letter, lowercase letter L, and then we have to write our directory. So let's press enter. As you see that it displays all the files, but it also shows some additional properties. For example, let's just take alternatives. Alternatives is a directory. I know that it's a directory. So first of all, the color is different. As you see that it is a blue color. So it is a directory, but the color actually can be different in other shell environments. But the best way to know that if it's a directory, you can just look at here. If we have D, letter D, in the beginning of this row, then it means that it's a directory. These are called permissions, but we are going to learn these permissions in the future. Here you can also see the size of alternatives folder, alternatives directory. So right now it is 4096 bytes, but you can also use another option, which is H option. So using this option, you can display all the files in more human readable format. So let me just clear the screen, and I'm going to use the same command, same option, but we'll have another option, H, and then our directory name, and then press enter. So as you see that alternatives directory now has 4.0 kilobytes. So it's basically 4096 bytes, but it will be in more human readable format. Usually command syntax has three basic parts: the command itself, its options, and its arguments. So ls is the command itself, and -l, the lowercase letter L, is the option, and etc directory here is the argument of this command. Let me show you one more command. So it is change directory command. Let me clear the screen first of all. And the command name is cd. So cd means that change directory. So right now, before that, let's print our working directory. So as you see that it is home udemy1. This is our current directory. And if I want to go to the etc directory, I need to use this command cd. So it will change the directory to etc. And press enter. So as you see that here, right now we are in this etc directory, but before that we are in the home directory. If you remember, as I said in the previous video, this tilde sign means that it is the home directory. Under etc directory, we also saw that we have alternatives directory. Let's go to that directory using this cd command again. So right now we are in the, let's just print the working directory. We are in the etc directory under root. This / is called root, but I will explain it in the future. Right now just you have to know that it is a root directory, and under root directory we have etc directory. etc folder, let's say, and under etc we have alternatives directory. I'm gonna go to that directory, so cd alternatives and press enter. So right now we are in this alternatives directory. Let's print the working directory again. As you see that before this command we are in the etc directory, but right now we are in alternatives directory. So if you want to go back, you can use cd command again, but this time you have to use 2 dots and then backslash and press enter. So let's print the working directory. You see that previously it was under the alternatives, but right now we are in the etc directory. And if I do this command again, so cd 2 dots backslash, I will go to the root directory. Let's use pvd command again. So this is the root directory. And if you want to go to your home directory, so you can just use this tilde sign, cd and tilde sign, because if you remember, we said that tilde sign is home directory. So cd tilde sign and press enter, and let's print the working directory. As you see that we are under home directory of this user called hknewdemo1. I'm just going to go to that alternatives directory again. So I will be using etc, and under etc we have alternatives. Let's print the working directory. Okay, we are under the alternatives directory. Let's say that I would like to go back to the root directory. In order to do that, you don't need to use one by one. Just write cd and then 2 dots slash, again 2 dots slash. It will directly go to the root directory. Press enter. And now let's print the working directory. As you see that it is in the root directory. That's it for now. See you in the next lecture.